Hello everyone, I am Upendra. I am from third BTech CSC. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the what is closure in JavaScript and the callbacks, promises and asynchronous or wait in JavaScript and how to implement to-do list using closure in JavaScript. This is closure.js file. In this we can see first of all we have defined a function called generate greetings, and in the function we defined two another functions called named as Spanish and English. These two functions are the sub functions of the main function generate greetings, and after returning here we called the above parent function using the constraints here. So in closure we can able to call the functions once declared outside of the scope. So closures are mostly used in JavaScript, and after here I have also used FS module, FS file system module, which we can perform read operation and write operation on files. And here I have perform read operation. We can see the output of my code. Closure.js. Here see first I have first line is the output for this line, and next one is the output for this line, and next one I have placed this one in the file.txt file. So I have got the three outputs like this. This is closure. And next we have callbacks. First, what is callbacks? First of all, callbacks means callbacks are nothing but functions, and that are passed as arguments to the another functions. So here first we see the function fetch data. We use a callback as the parameter, and we have defined it. And by using callbacks like this, we can define the function. We can call using the parameters passing to the above function, so it is called callbacks. So we use another function and pass a value to the declared function, so we call it as callback functions. And next one is promises. You can see here I have defined a function for promises. This deals with asynchronous code, and by using promises we have used mostly two keywords called then and catch. Catch is used for returning the error if any error is occurred in the code, and next then is used to retrieve the data. And the next one is asynchronous or await. Asynchronous or await are used to fetch the data and also used while fetching the data, as you can see here. And for this we get the output node. You can see here that using callback, here using promise this one, and using asynchronous or wait, you get the output for this. Next, this is my to-do list, to-do.js file. In this file you can see simple code I have used here. In the function I have declared the function name as to-do list, and I have taken an empty list called tasks. And I have used a function to add tasks using the parameters name of the task and deadline to finish. And each task contain the three parameters in it: name and completed or not, deadline, and all these details are pushed into the previously declared tasks here. And later I have used this one is remove task to remove the task that I have done so far using the index parameter. It checks whether if the index is greater than 0, and later if the index is less than the length of the tasks, then it uses splice method to delete it from the list task. And later I have used a complete task to declare the task is completed, that is using boolean values true or false, and later I have used get tasks to get the tasks, that means to display the tasks that are to be done. And you can see the output for this code here. I have not passed any parameters, so there is not no output here. And this is my index.html file. I have this is simple file. I have first of all I used a heading to do list, and I have taken an input for for two tasks for searching and for adding the tasks for searching input, and I have added a button uh, for adding a task. I have taken two inputs, that is text for entering task name and date for selecting the end date, and I used a button task submit button, and later I have declared to-do.js this code, and later I have also used app.js to monitor to join the to-do.js and to enable functionality for retrieving data. And this is my app.js file. Let's see how the it's working. First of all, adding tasks, suppose reading and select any random date. We can see the we have getting here the added data is getting here. Let us add some more tasks. So it can be easy for understanding for performing search operation. Here see I have added three tasks. Let us search for the first one, or when I entered first letter it started searching for the tasks that are available with the letter. So for R there are only one task, so it getting the task. This is searching method, and I add task for adding the tasks. We can add many tasks as well, and we can monitor here. And if the task is completed, I have if we click here remove, it will be removed, or if we mark it as complete, it is marked as completed, and it will be changed to like this. And this is my to-do list functionality. And the next one, this is my app.js used. We can see complete tasks and remove task, and I have add event listener for search bar for filtering the values. Yeah, when we searching for a particular value, it return the same. When we search for when we type letter or it returns the read task as the contains only the task starting with the letter R. And this is my project. Thank you.